In this example, we will talk about the other formula for slope. I call this formula my plug and chug formula, and I use it if I'm asked to find the slope between two particular points that are not specifically graphed for us. My plug and chug formula is slope equals m, which equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, to be able to use this formula, the first thing I'd like to do is label the points that they have given us. I will find the slope between two separate sets of points here. In the first part, I would label my x1 as the -5, the y1 as the 7, x2 as the -5, and the y2 as the -9. The ones and the twos that are subscripts on my x's and y's are only keeping track of which point I'm located at. So in this example, we'll have m equals y2 is -9. Now be careful because your formula has a built-in negative sign, and then also some of your numbers may be negative. So minus y1 is 7 divided by x2 is -5 minus, and then x1 is -5. So I'd need a minus 5. On the top, I'd have -16. On the bottom, reducing, this is actually -5 plus 5, which would be -16 divided by 0, which is undefined. So the slope of the line going through the 2 points, -5, 7 and -5, -9, is undefined. This should make sense to us because if we were to plot those 2 points, drawing a straight line through those 2 points would actually create a vertical line. And we know that the slope of a vertical line is undefined. For the second example, let's do something similar as far as labeling our x's and y's. So this would be x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. The main thing that I'll tell you about your labeling is make sure not to mix your 1's and your 2's. If you label the first one x sub 1, then you better label the next number y sub 1. So for this particular example, my slope would equal y2 is 8 minus y1 is 8 divided by x2 is 3 minus x1 is -4. On the top, 8 minus 8 is 0. On the bottom, that would actually be 3 plus 4. 0 divided by 7 would equal 0. For this example, it should make sense that my slope is 0. If I were to actually graph these 2 points and then draw a straight line through them, I would discover that I have a horizontal line. And I know that a horizontal line always has a slope of 0.